Nobody. My name is nobody. My name is nobody. My name is nobody. My name is nobody. What's my name? Say my name. What's my name? Yo. I never rock with Nas, I never rock with Rakim Allah. I never gave y'all 100 bars, I never walked among the stars. I never rocked the mic on tour, never made some groupie bitch drop her drawers. Never had a menage a trois with girls licking my balls while I eat them. Nah, I never done that neither. And I never wore that white wife beater on the video set with the Lost Boys and Dog Pound and Smoke Reefer. I never had a source quotable, I never rocked 50 bar vocals on Beats from the East with Reggie Noble. Never spit with Keith Murray or Little Jamal. I never rocked on stage at the Apollo at all. To this day, if someone asked me, why were you silver on MTV? I have to just tell him it wasn't me, cause I'm nobody. My name is 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 nobody. What's my name? Say my name. What's my name? Yo. I never been at the Mardi Gras, sucking on tatas. I never been to LA or Christian Yayas. I never been overseas. I never been to Amsterdam, walking right past the cops smoking some trees. I never had a battle with about a dozen MCs, and simultaneously I brought them all to their knees. I never been off the scene too long, never been totally gone, never appeared on a shitload of songs. I never rocked with Eminem yet, yeah that's true. People will talk about it from now to the day that I do, but I never made an impact. I never changed rap. In fact, sometimes I wish I could take it all back. I didn't sell enough units. I said I was the illest alive and I didn't prove it. I probably look stupid, I guess I'm nobody. I guess I'm nobody. I'm so sorry. My name is nobody. 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 Nigga, I ain't nobody to know. My name is nobody. Get it? Yo, it's like the rap community doesn't know what to do with me. What if there was two of me? What if I persuaded some bitches to reproduce with me and create a whole crew of me? Only those that are as cruel as me can rule with me. I got a secret, let's keep it between you and me. And when I'm forgotten, you can say this at my eulogy. You can say this at my eulogy. You can say this at my motherfucking eulogy.
Oh no, that was sick. That was. First up, we got AKA Nobody freestyle session. You know, Zion 55 exclusive one-time session. What's up, man? What's good? It was good, man. You? All right, then. You know, keep all on the cam. So what's up, man? How you get your name, dog?
My mama gave it to me, really.
Your mama gave it to you?
Yeah.
How she come up with that concept, Nobody?
When I was 15,
You were 15?
I was doing bad in school.
You doing bad in school?
You're supposed to be a nobody. You're a nobody.
Okay. and you stuck with that, huh? All right, then. So what's up, man? What's your best move?
Southside Roll.
Southside Roll? All right, then. Can you give us a little demonstration? You ain't got to do it full, but, you know, slow-mo, whatever.
Well, you know.
Zion exclusive.
The running man, like, you know, I do running man like.
Running man, okay. Southside Roll.
I thought about it like this, but fake the running man.
Okay.
Instead of with.
Okay.
Yeah. You'll see.
Okay, we gonna see it? We gonna see it? All right, then.
Holla at you, True Bomb.